Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can copy the link of any videos you want on YouTube. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to copy the link of any videos you want on YouTube, it's actually very easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open YouTube. So just search for youtube.com on your search bar. And once you're on YouTube, next, I want you to find the video for which you want to copy the link of. You can either search it on the search bar right here, or you can also just browse on your home tab to find any video you will like. And once you've found the video you like, just go and click it. And then the video will now be opened. So now, to copy the link of the video, it's so simple. You just need to click this share button right here. And then there it is, guys. You will now see the video link right here, so you can now copy it. And then that's it, guys. It's done. Congratulations, the video link will now be copied, so you can now use it to share with your friends, post it on social media, or whatever you want to do with it. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.